Check one, check one. These amplifiers go to 11 for that push over the edge. This is the first engine swap that we just finished, just wrapped up the other day, and we've got some test miles under it, and everything is working perfect. I've done the Hemi swaps starting years and years ago. I think 2007 was the first year that I actually did a Hemi swap. But they've always kind of been pieced together kits. You know, you get the engine harness and this and that, but there's a lot of blank spots that you have to get creative. You know, you might not get any air conditioning lines. You just have to make that happen yourself. America's Most Wanted has filled in all those blanks. They have used as many factory Mopar parts as possible to make it the most seamless integration and ease of installation. Every engine swap we've ever done, you're always anticipating something, some kind of bugs, a leak, or maybe it not, you know, won't fire off. And so, but we were very confident that we were going to turn the key and it's going to go. This was the first time we actually pulled the body off the chassis, and for a little bit more work up front, it actually sped the engine swap installation up significantly. Just not having a body there, being able to work on top, doing all the transmission, plumbing, electrical, all the exhaust. We installed the entire exhaust system. We didn't even have to get underneath the vehicle. So it was, till the very end where we just had to tighten up a few nuts and bolts. Kits that we have used and installed in the past, compared to America's Most Wanted, is by far, this is such a greater kit because the seamless integration, the factory parts they use, and it's not all hodgepodge together. So therefore, the installation time is a lot faster, the durability of all the parts are a lot greater, and the serviceability of them is tremendously easier too, because everything is Mopar designed. I would probably recommend doing a Hemi installation 10 times fold over than doing a General Motors, just to the pure fact of the integration of it, the seamlessness of it, and how everything works together and is not frustrating towards the end.